Today let's make a rap beat in FL Studio Mobile. First set your tempo. Let's use a tempo of 150 BPM. Now that we've set the tempo, let's begin with our chord. Click on the plus icon. Click on DW Sampler. Scroll down to Essential Piano. Choose a sound that is suitable for you. Let's use this close grand piano. Now I will play a professional trap chord using my phone's screen as a MIDI controller. To do that, just click on this small record icon. Now you can press play and record your chord. You can turn off the metronome after recording the chords. Let's range the chords properly to make it sound professional. Make sure you place them in the right position. In case you are new around here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's hear how it's sounding now. To spice it up, let's add a soft pad. Click the plus icon and go to GM Synth. Go to Pad. Look for a soft ambience pad. Just copy the chords and paste it. You can also make your chord sound better by adding effects like Param EQ and reverb. Now let's start adding our drums, and I will start with the hi-hats. I will be using this sound. Just click on Fill each 2 steps. Copy and paste it on the next bar. The hi-hats is not sounding nice. Let's make it sound better by tightening it. Click on Sample. You can use the stretch knob to tighten or slacken your drums. Slice some of the hi-hats to make it sound professional. Now hear how it will sound. Now let's add a clap and snare. Let's add a kick. I will be choosing an 808 from my samples pack. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let's palm some of the sounds to the right and some to the left. You can swing your trap beat a little. Let's add a lead sound, and for the lead, I will be using a bell sound. Let's add some effects to make it sound better. Now let's arrange it into verse and chorus before adding more sounds. Let's copy and paste them first. I don't have to explain everything, so just pay attention. I will love to add some effects like siren. Let's add some vocal effects from DW Sampler.
Officer, I need help. Officer sick. Officer down. Got a runner here. He's running. Get your hands. We have a female. We need a female. I got a drunk. I got a drunk driver here in front of me. I got a drunk driver here in front of me. I'm gonna pull him over and go ahead and see. I got a drunk driver here in front of me. I'm gonna pull him over and go ahead and see what's up.
Please make sure you are paying attention.
I got a drunk driver here in front of me. I'm gonna pull him over and go ahead and see what's up.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Please like and share my videos with your friends.